Bike Empire. Introduction. Welcome to Bike Empire, the home for true motorcycle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of BMW's most exciting modern classics, the BMW R12. It's a bike that blends timeless design with contemporary engineering, delivering the spirit of old-school motorcycling with the reliability of today's technology. Design and heritage. The BMW R12 pays homage to the golden era of motorcycling. With its low-slung stance, teardrop tank, and clean, flowing lines, it echoes the style of BMW's post-war machines while keeping a distinctly modern edge. The exposed frame, round headlamp, and classic analog-style instruments remind riders of simpler times, but look closer, and you'll see a level of craftsmanship that's unmistakably BMW. Engine and performance. Underneath its vintage exterior lies a 1,170 cubic centimeters air/oil-cooled boxer engine, the same powerplant that gives BMW's heritage lineup its signature character. Delivering around 95 horsepower and 110 Nm of torque, the R12 offers smooth acceleration, a deep exhaust note, and a riding experience that feels both powerful and refined. Technology and ride experience. Despite its retro appeal, the R12 is packed with modern features, from selectable riding modes and ABS Pro to traction control and LED lighting. The suspension is tuned for comfort and control, making it ideal for both city cruising and long weekend rides. Every detail has been crafted to provide that perfect blend of nostalgia and practicality. Customization and lifestyle. Like any true roadster, the BMW R12 invites personalization. From classic paint schemes to custom seats and exhausts, BMW has designed this bike as a canvas for riders to express their style. Whether you're chasing vintage vibes or modern minimalism, the R12 adapts to your vision. Conclusion. The BMW R12 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of passion, heritage, and freedom. It connects the past to the present, proving that classic design and modern performance can coexist beautifully. This has been Bike Empire, where every ride begins with a story. Stay tuned, and ride safe.